Okay, hi guys, it's Miss Loris. I am going to be demonstrating the lab that you guys are going to be doing just in case you don't understand the directions that are on the lab paper. First, you are going to write a hypothesis. You're going to hypothesize which type of paper design is going to fall the fastest. So, based on the law of not the law of gravity, really, the law of gravity and air resistance, you are going to hypothesize which one you think is going to fall the quickest based on surface area as well. Take into account surface area. So, what I want you guys to do is I want you to take a piece of paper. You could just use one paper. If you have more than one, that's probably better. So you're going to take a piece of paper and you're going to need a phone or a clock or a stopwatch of some sort. Now I know the lab says that you are going to need a meter stick. That's totally fine if you don't have one. Just make sure that you're dropping it from the same height each time. So you might want to maybe drop it from like the windowsill or something where it's exactly the same each time. I'm not really near anything right now, but this is just for, demo purposes. I'm not gonna do it perfectly. So what you're going to do first is you're going to put your paper flat, just uncrumbled, and you're going to drop it from a height, like a windowsill or on top of a desk or a dresser. And you are going to time it, how long it takes from the moment that you let it go to the moment that it hits the floor. So right now I'm going to drop it, and then you are going to stop the time once it hits the floor. Hello. Then you are going to do that a couple times just so you get a very accurate reading. There's my cat, Philomena. Sylvia, I know you wanted to see my cat, so here she is. This is Philomena. Okay. So then you are going to do that a couple times. Then you are going to loosely crumple the paper. Loosely. Loosely means something like this, okay? It's not tightly crumbled. It's not really in a ball. It's just kind of loosely crumbled. And then you are going to do the same exact thing. Drop it a few times, making sure to drop it from the same height, and take the time measurement. Then you are going to do a tightly crumpled ball. So now it's tight. There's less air pockets in it. It's more streamlined. Here's your tight ball. You are going to drop it from the same height. Oh no, I lost the ball. You're going to do that a few times, and then you are going to, I shouldn't have done this, but you are going to uncrumble it and then fold it in half. Fours, sorry. Fold it in fours like this. So you're going to uncrumble it, fold it over once, fold it over again, and then you are going to have it fall. Now, the final one where it says your own paper design, you guys can do what you want. You can make a fortune teller out of it. You can make a paper airplane. You could do any sort of origami or just anything that you haven't done already. I want you guys to try. And then at the very end, after you put in all of your data, you are going to tell me whether or not your hypothesis was supported and why. So it should really not take more than 10 minutes for you guys to finish this. It's super simple. Let me know if you have any questions at all, and I am here to answer them. Okay, have fun.